Did you know that we are here in Katangnan Bridge here in Siargao? Katangnan Bridge is known as the Afam Bridge, wherein you can see the breathtaking sunset in the island. So if you'd like to check this out without a crowd, you can come here by noontime. Tingnan nyo naman, wala pang tao.
Wala pang
But
Afam.
we will come back here later and see what's the difference. So after guys, we're back here in Afam Bridge. As you can see, kanina wala pang mga tao pero ngayon, ang daming tao na. This is actually the common days here in the Afam Bridge. So kaya siya tinawag na Afam Bridge dahil it is a short term for a family bridge. It's good to know.